How to buy XCN token on Bitget wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on Bitget, what you need to do, it is and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your Bitget wallet for that, and as you can see, go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network from here, click on this plus icon, and paste the token address here. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added, that in case called the XCN. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. After that, it is simple. Just click on swap here, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy XCN token on Bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.